Industry professionals recognize Canadian Sphagnum peat moss as the most superior soilless media base for horticultural purposes. This is due to its homogeneous composition, high structural stability, high capacity for water and air retention, adjustable pH, and nutrient status. The professional grower market requires a reliable supply of soilless medium to meet the demand of the green goods retail market, maximize cost efficiencies, maintain product quality, and meet delivery schedules. Retailers and home and garden consumers also rely on peat moss as their primary component of potting soils and garden soil amendments. Gro Horticulture is a leader in sustainable Canadian Sphagnum peat moss resources. We endorse and support the Canadian Sphagnum Peat Moss Association's definition of sustainable peatland management as the balanced stewardship of environmental, social, and economic values of Canada's renewable peatland resource. In Canada, there are 281 million acres, or around 25% of the entire world's peatlands. Less than 0.03% of Canadian peatlands have been harvested to help beautify our environment and grow millions of potted plants for our gardens. Environmentally responsible peat moss industries such as ours work to restore peat bogs post-harvest to ensure they remain valuable and productive for years to come. We also actively support research conducted by universities, the industry, and governments to forward peat bog restoration. Gro Horticulture, our expertise is growing.